Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Right, today, I'm so excited, that's why I'm stuttering. Basically, you can see the title of this video. I am off to go back to fast lane styling to go get my bonnet vents done. It's currently on a Saturday. Yes, I can't wait. I've been looking at these. They're here. I've got them in this box here. I've got other parts as well, so stay tuned on this video. I've got more parts, and let's go. Let's get down there. Let's turn it on. Cold start. Right, let's get down there. What's up, guys? Right, I couldn't really video as much as I thought I could due to the fact that it's a safety reasons. It's not just an excuse. Basically, I asked and they said I can go in and out, so I've got some clips, and whilst I'm talking now I'll be showing videos, and then after that I'll show you what the outcome is and stuff like that. But basically they didn't have enough like glasses and that, and they couldn't afford to. If I'm get injured or something, it'll be under my fault, and they don't want to see that happening. So when they was cutting it, I let them deal with it, let them cut it, and once it was cut, then I videoed, and then after I videoed that, and then I let them basically cut the other side and then finish it off. Right, then with those vents, they came from Amazon. These are the RS style look. I think I'm right. I think it's the RS look. That was, I did have the box somewhere. Aha. So the box, it says, yes, this is the gloss black RS look. So yeah, so they're pretty decent. When I saw them, they're absolutely great. They come with 3M tape on them, but obviously I got told that it doesn't hold. So when the water goes onto the 3M tape, after a while it just won't grip no more. So they supplied me with some water resistance glue, and they done that for me, and I will show you the glue as well. But they done an absolute fantastic job. I couldn't recommend. As you've seen on my channel, I've been down to fast lane stylings quite a few times. Now obviously I've gone there again, and they've just done an amazing job, so I can't thank them enough, to be fair. But yeah, big shout out to fast lane styling. Done an absolutely great job, and it was very quick. And usually, like, a lot of people would be like, oh, don't trust them, it's too quick. But when I show you, they done an absolute good job. This car's coming slowly. It is coming slowly. My videos will be coming out a bit more. It's just trying to pick up some ideas. Like, that's what I've been saying for the last couple of videos. I'm trying to find stuff that also like entertains you guys, plus something that I wanted to do on the car, so it's mixing it. But if you have any ideas or anything like that for this car, just hit me up, just leave a comment below and I'll look into it, and if I can use that to make it look good, it'll be great. Right, like I said earlier, before the video, I said wait at the end because I've got more parts. So right, as you lot were wondering, these are I think they're like gel badges for the fenders. As you can see, it should look like that. So these will go on the fenders, and I thought it'd be cool because I wanted to go with the black and white as what my car looks like now, and I thought it's really cool to have this S white as well. So that will look absolutely sick. But yeah, that's the last things I'll be doing. The other one's in the box still, and yeah, so what I'll do is fit that, and then we'll see what the outcome looks like. Let's go. That there is obviously with the sheet over it, so as you can see, the actual gloss finish is absolutely great. You can also see me in it. So yeah, so what we'll do, we put it there. So this is that shape, so it's going to be this side. so it will go there, as you can see. So what we do, clean this bit and then fit this. Let's go. Guys, excuse the wind, it's quite windy today, but yeah, so look, this is what it looks like. I think absolutely great. I love the S on it, as you can see. But now let's get on with the other side. I think I have to clean the other side as well, which, yeah, it's a bit dirty. You gotta show your car, mate, you know what I'm saying? Right, let's get the other side on. Oh, excuse the mess. And also, the other part I was saying will be this. I will be fitting a tow bar strap onto it. Just bear with me. Let's get the other one out. Oh, if I can. Da-da-da. Aha. Right, let's go install this one, and then... Right, let's install this last one together. Right. So we are going about there. There you go. And there we have it, man. This car is definitely looking so much better. Absolutely so much better, man. And this is the other side. Absolutely sick. Mate. Yeah, as I was... Look, so this is what they've done. So this is the RS look, as I was saying. Absolutely, it's flush, it's on point. So yeah, it's actually through as well, so they're not like the fake ones. So if I pop the hood, which is like so, and this is the glue that I was telling you guys. As you can see, I've done an absolutely good job. I don't care about the smudges and stuff. It don't really bother me. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's absolutely sick, man. Great job, man. Like, great cutting, the lot. Fair play, man. Now close it. There you go. And that there, guys, is the look of the car now. Oh mate, this is an absolute beast, man. Tell me, I'll leave a comment below, what do you guys think of this now? I think it's absolutely great. And as you can see as well, look, they're not out of shape or anything, they're absolutely straight. Mate, spot on, man. Absolutely spot on. Right guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you actually enjoyed this video today. I have personally, because it's a great look. Also, I do recommend some of you lot getting it done. It's just sick that if you have an induction kit and stuff like that, it's like you can hear it going, you can hear it actually sucking through the bonnet and all that, and it's just sick. But yeah, but these parts, so the vents came from Amazon, and the gel badges, I think they call them, the gel badges, they came from eBay. I was trying to look for them on Amazon as well, but they obviously don't do them. I think it's just an eBay thing, so if you guys want it, just make sure to go over to eBay and that. And yeah, eBay for the gel badges and The vents, I got them from Amazon. So if you guys wondering where I got them from and stuff like that, and also the prices for the vents was £20, and the gel badges were going for 30 something. I think it's 30 something quid. Yeah, I think it was for two. I don't think it's a bad price. But yeah, so that is that, to be fair. Also, if you wanted to know how much I spent doing my vents at Fastlane, it was £60 a side. Obviously a total of £120 for your bonnet to be cut. Yeah, it was a total of £120. But I don't think I was too sad. As you can see, like, I've done quite a lot to this car, and I do appreciate all you guys showing all this love and support for this car, and also myself. But I do hopefully these type of videos help you guys out and give you ideas of what you want to do for yours. Like I say, man, like, I've done quite a lot to this car. Inside, not really, but I will get into it. Do you know what I mean? There's so many ideas I can think of, but I just want to do the right thing rather than just spending just random stuff and then not liking it and then change it, if you know what I mean. So I'm doing a bit of both between you guys and myself, mix it together and then put it together. And this is the look on the car. Like, a lot of you guys like it, and I really do love it. It's a little whip. It's absolutely sick. It's nippy. I'm happy. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's all about having a laugh and being happy with your motor and that. It's not always about being fucking fast. But don't get wrong, I want a fast car. Do you know what I mean? But I'm quite happy with this car at the moment. But yeah, no. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video. There'll be more videos coming. Don't panic. But yes, thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.